Hello, this is going to be a quick demo of my Linux voice automation toolkit that I've been writing using Rust on top of April ASR. So let's get started. Alright, Tempest, rise, go up, and up, and up. Alright, go down and stack, and go down again, stack. Alright, that doesn't look right. Maybe cycle? Okay, cycle again. That's fine. Go up and up. Fine, exit out of this. Show me quick settings. Fine, escape. Alright, exit out of this. And go up and exit out of that. And yeah, that's about it. So, Tempest, rest. Notice if I ask it to exit out of this right now, it won't. Because I've asked it to rest. It doesn't process my my words anymore. So yeah, that's the demo. See you soon.